Welcome back, everybody. About 6 weeks ago, I posted a video that showed a snap-on quarter-inch drive socket set. I paid full price on eBay, the full asking price on a buy it now. The goal was to see, could I actually buy something for full price, split it up, sell it back on eBay, and still make a profit after all the fees and shipping? Let's see the results. So I received this item on August 7th. I recorded the video for it August 7th, and I listed everything on August 7th. I came up with a total of 17 listings, and so far I've sold 16 out of 17, but I'm going to do the video anyway because the only item left is an $11.83 item, and who knows how long it'll take to sell. The first item to sell was on August 9th. That was the T-handle sliding breaker bar, and I sold it for $23.83. The next item I sold was on August 10th, and that was the flexible extension. I sold that one for $18.83. Then on August 12th, I sold the set of deep sockets. Of course, these were SAE, and that set was sold for $78.83. On August 13th, I sold the ratchet for $39.83. On August 14th, I sold a universal swivel adapter for $17.83. The next item I listed, I actually decided to put as a lot of 3. These were the double square 8 points, just because on their own they were only worth about $9.50, $10, and if you sell something for that cheap, you're only going to get about $3 out of it. So on August the 15th, I sold that set of 3 sockets for $22.43. On the 16th, I sold the 1/4-inch to 3/8 adapter for $16.43. And then on August 20th, I sold the shallow set of sockets for $57.43. Also on August 20th, I received an order where a person bought 3 items. That would be the 3/8 to 1/4-inch adapter, the 6-inch long extension, and the 4-inch long extension. And that order total was $50.09. And I had yet another sale on August 20th, and that was for the 1/4-inch ratcheting adapter, and that was sold for $43.83. On August 22nd, I sold a 2-inch adapter for $11.43. On the 24th of August, I sold the steel case that the set came in for $38.83. On the 25th of August, I sold the carburetor adjustment socket for $12.83. On the 26th, I sold the second 2-inch extension that was in the box for $11.43. And then the final item I sold was on September 14th, and that was the spinner handle for $15.83. And like I said, I still have one more item, and that's a Phillips bit socket. So in total, everything I've sold came out to $459.71. Right off the top, we have to take the purchase price. That was $226.83. We had $57.46 in transaction fees. That's the fee that eBay charges to sell an item. We had $68.69 in shipping, and we had $20.08 in advertising, basically to promote your item higher up on the list. So those 3 different fees come up to a total of $143.23. In shipping supplies, I'm figuring about $7. So that comes up to a total of $380.06 is the amount I paid out, leaving $79.65 in my pocket. Now, if we factor in how much time did I have invested, to photograph, list, ship, I put about 10 minutes per item. That comes out to 170 minutes. And if you divide that into the $79.65, that comes out to $28.11 an hour. At the end of the day, I did make some money, not enough to quit your day job. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. But that's going to be all for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.